Hey guys, in the fast lane here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can properly tension your automotive belts with one simple strategy. What we want to do is we want to grab the belt in between two pulleys. Here is the AC compressor pulley, and then right here we have an idler pulley. So we want to grab right in between here, and you just want to twist it 90 degrees. If you can go 90 degrees and it stops, that's a good belt tension. Now, if you can only go 45 degrees, then it's too tight. If you can go 180 degrees all the way around, then it's too loose. Same thing with this belt in the middle here. As you can see, we can turn it about 90 degrees, and that's a good tension right there. Now, the reasons why you would not want your belt too tight is one, it'll howl, and two, it'll cause the belt to prematurely wear. Now, the reason why you wouldn't want your belt too loose is obviously it could slide off, cause squealing, or with a timing belt, you could jump a tooth and bend your valves, and then your engine's pretty much done for. A quick recap: if the belt is too tight, then you're going to get squealing noises, howling noises on the timing belt. It's going to prematurely wear. You don't want that. If the belt's too loose, you're going to end up getting slipping. So it'll slip on the serpentine belt. It'll cause a lot of squealing. If it's the AC compressor, it'll squeal a lot there too. And for the timing belt, you could jump a tooth and bend a valve, and then your entire engine's blown.